Hopefully you are enjoying the lecture series of the physics till chapter 2. We already completed. Today we are going to start new chapter number 3. Okay. So same to same the way of teaching I am going to follow here. The subject is physics. Standard is 12th. Chapter number 3rd, and the name of the chapter is electric potential. Please remember the name of the chapter is electric potential. What are the topics we are going to be covered today? Number 1, we have to be just introduce it. What do you mean by this? And then after introduction, we will just tell you the definition of electric potential. And third one is we will find out the relation between electric field and electric potential. And fourth one, electric potential due to a point charge we have to be find out. These are the 4 topics today we are going to be covered. If you will face any difficulties, any doubts, you can comment in the section box. And also we are attaching one PDF file with this. In this PDF file, whatever I spoke here, whatever I am going to give the understanding, the whole detail I have written in this notes and PDF file. So let's start here. The lecture is, first point we are going to talk about introduction. Electric potential. What do you mean by electric potential? Suppose this is your charge, positive charge. It is creating the electric field around it. And I told you this arrow is outside because it is a positive charge, and positive charge always consisting non-negative properties. So it is creating region around it. It is called electric field. And now suppose here one charge is available here, Q1. So when this positive charge is producing the field around it, and this field is going to be attract this charge towards it. Let's assume this is negative charge. So this positive charge is going to be attract this negative charge. What actually happened here? You can say that we are going to be talk about electric potential. See, if we are going to be talk about the positive charge is going to be attract the negative charge. The positive charge is going to be attract the negative charge. It is called electric field. Please try to understand. Many teachers are just teaching in a wrong style. So when the positive charge is attracting negative charge, it is called electric field. But when the positive charge is forcefully attracting and forcefully trying to pull towards to it, so it is called electric potential. By which we are always work here in opposite to the electric field. We are always working in the opposite to the electric field. It is called what? Electric potential. Again I am telling you, in electric field, if the positive negative charge is going to be attract, and what positive is going to be repel. But here opposite. Positive charge is what? Spreading the field around it, and this field is going to be what? Attract this charge. So when infinite position, when a charge at infinite position, we don't know where this charge is at. Okay. So when a charge at infinite position, and to bring this charge, we have to be use external force. We have to be use external force to bring this a charge at infinite to definite position. What do you mean by definite position? Definite position in electric field. So external force is working on this particular charge, and this charge is bringing here in the electric field of this particular charge. This is called electric potential. In general talk, we are talking तेरे potential के बारे में जाना. देख लूँगा मैं तेरे में कितना potential. This type of term we are using. Here also we are using electric potential. The potential of electric charge to bring the charge at infinite to definite. So for this we are working using external force. So this external force is just pushing this charge towards to this charge. So from infinite to definite position means in the field of electric field, when it will came, it is called electric potential. in the flow chart, I'm going to be explaining also these things. First, what happened? A charge at infinite position, we are bringing at definite position, and for this definite position we have to be use what? External force. We are using external force to bring this charge in electric field, and when this infinite position charge bring at definite position, so because of only external force, and this external force is just pushing, the electric field, by means the pushing of the charge in the electric field of this particular charge which is already present. Okay, so this whole process is called electric potential. So I hope so you understood the introduction. In short, you can say that we are bringing your infinite charge towards to the definite position with the help of external force. Okay, so for this we have to do the work done per unit charge is called electric potential. So hopefully you understood the basic understanding. One example I am going to be telling you by which you can remember the concept of electric potential. See, this is a person. इसकी शादी नहीं हुई है, ठीक है, लेकिन ये तो पता है स्क्रीन की शादी होने वाली, कहाँ होने वाली शादी हमें नहीं पता। अब जिसके साथ होने वाली है वो कभी कभी इसके पास आने वाली, कभी कभी इसके पास आने वाली। सीधी सी बात है, जिस दिन ये कहां से, इसको पता है क्या अभी किसके साथ शादी किसकी होने वाली, नहीं पता, नहीं पता। इसका मतलब कौन सी पोजीशन पे, इनफाइनाइट पोजीशन पे, जो पोजीशन डिफाइन ही नहीं है वो पोजीशन क्या हो जाएगी, इनफाइनाइट। और जैसे ही ये चार्ज के पास कौन आ जाता है, ये वाला चार्ज, इसे बोलते थे टेस्ट चार्ज, और टेस्ट चार्ज किसको ले आता है, दूसरे चार्ज को ले आता है। कहां से कहां ले आता है, इनफाइनाइट से, इनफाइनाइट से कहां आ गए, डिफाइनाइट का। डिफाइनाइट कैसे आया, इसने क्या किया, इसको लाने के लिए इसने क्या किया, वर्क किया, शादी की, और शादी की किसको लाने के लिए, इस चार्ज को लाने के लिए। सो टू ब्रिंग अ चार्ज फ्रॉम इनफाइनाइट टू डिफाइनाइट, ओके, वी हैव टू बी डू सम वर्क डन, एंड पर यूनिट चार्ज किसके रेस्पेक्ट में वर्क डन कर रहे हैं, चार्ज के रेस्पेक्ट में, इसलिए हमने इसे क्या बोला, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। ऑब्वियसली इतनी जल्दी तो आसानी से तो नहीं है, रोएगी इसके पापा, फिर इसको फोर्स करेंगे तो वो क्या होगा, एक्सटर्नल फोर्स। So hopefully you understood the scenario of the electric potential. This is the introduction. Okay. So next we are going to be talking about the definition of electric field.